The last week in crypto has been particularly interesting, okay, with the banking crisis and all the big headlines coming out and all breaking news, okay, the threat is looming and what will happen to crypto next, all right? So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what a crypto founder, a crypto head, basically is doing and how that could come to the rescue to basically put crypto in a better place. All right. Now, this is all on the heels of Bitcoin pushing the 28,000 level. All right. So when we talk about that, that is going to be very important. So you're going to want to stick around in this video and hear what I have to say. But first, if you have not done so, join us here at Not Your Father's Capital. We'd love to have you part of the team, and it does help get this content out to others. All right. So what I'm talking about is Justin Sun, the founder of TRON. Okay. So he's put forward an unexpected proposal to buy Credit Suisse. Okay, so now Credit Suisse, the basically bankruptcy that has happened over the past week or so, has been a very unfortunate turn of events for the European bankers and how that has shaped as the EU has basically raised and they are dealing with their own inflation concerns. Okay, so this unexpected proposal comes on the heels of a bid for $1.5 billion to acquire Credit Suisse. Now, basically, the UBS Group's AG's previous offer had fallen short. Okay, so he basically proposed to buy one of the largest banks in the world for $1.5 billion. Okay, on Twitter. Now that is some serious weight to be throwing around in 160 characters. All right, now what I'm going to talk about is how he plans to use Credit Suisse. All right, so this could be huge for crypto. All right, now just wrap your head around this concept. As one of the largest banks in Switzerland, in one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the world, if Justin Sun can basically get inside of that and infiltrate that system and basically infect it with crypto. All right. So he wants to integrate it into the Web 3.0 world. All right. Now, when we talk about that, integrating Credit Suisse into a crypto-friendly financial institution can pave the way for a huge decentralized financial system. Okay, and if you believe in blockchain, you believe in crypto, in the future of finance being in blockchain and crypto, this is very instrumental. I don't think the ramifications, if this deal could eventually go through, can actually be basically perceived. All right, now, when we talk about how this could impact us as consumers, it's going to take a lot of multi-jurisdictional, multi-country regulation to basically come together, and that is something where we are seeing basically what we're going to have as we talk about the United Nations. There's going to have to be a United Nations kind of collaboration as it relates to cryptocurrency regulation, because basically government regulators and legislators, they are not losing basically the grip when they talk about money laundering, terrorism, and all of the bad things that can happen as we look at crypto and currency basically being laundered. All right. Now, a very interesting point is when we heard, a lot of people testify and go before, officials and say like the currency has been this way and has been laundered since the start of time. Making it digital, making it easier if you think so, it may not always be a bad thing. It could be a way to track it with actual disclosures and actually having a paper trail because of the numbers. All right. So maybe reducing the anonymity of crypto could be something that could be looked upon as a way of doing so. But when we talk about this Credit Suisse acquisition, we have not even got a word or an acknowledgement by Credit Suisse if this will be accepted. But UBS's deal falling short with their $1.5 billion proposal kind of leaves a lot of left to be determined, because Justin Sun's is exactly the same. So when we talk about that, though, the world is moving, the world is adapting, and so there's going to be a lot of clarity kind of shored up when we get through this banking crisis. All right, now just wrap your head around this, guys. If Justin Sun, could buy Credit Suisse, what could that door open? What doors could be open for other banks, other financial institutions to be integrated, to be injected with blockchain? Okay, that is what I'm excited about. Not necessarily if this deal can go through, but just the proposal of the thought of actually integrating these two worlds. Okay, so that's what I got for you guys. I just wanted to share this info with you guys, kind of bring this all into the forefront, into the front of your minds. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching, and please hit that subscribe button if you've not already done so, and we will see you guys all in the next video.